Starting around 09 walk 2024 Star Atlas DAO basically is exchanging at $4.11 in term of its oyster rate with the value change of 1% in every practical sense, most recent 60 minutes, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Polies for the most part has a by and large complete market cap of $97 to $760.78 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,644,563 in a very significant manner. This makes Star Atlas DAO Polies kind of positioning at 474 in the digital money market, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. On the off chance that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the Star Atlas DAO cost expectation end of 2024, what will Star Atlas DAO truly be worth in 2024 in a kind of significant manner? Is Star Atlas DAO an essentially wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2024, which in every practical sense is very critical? Will Polies cost certainly outperform its unequaled, fundamentally high and in every practical sense significant way? These in every way that really matters are our Star Atlas DAO cost expectations for Polies' future in a for the most part significant manner. Star Atlas DAO Polies value expectation 2024 as per the Star Atlas DAO estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Polies cost is supposed to cross a kind of normal value level of $6,352. The normal especially least value worth of Star Atlas DAO toward the finish of the really current year ought to for the most part be $0.68132, which in every practical sense is very huge. Besides, Polies can essentially arrive at a greatest value level of $0.6898 in an unobtrusive manner. Star Atlas DAO Polies value expectation walk 2024. The cost for Star Atlas DAO in walk 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $42.42 and $47.72 in a sort of enormous manner, while the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to really be around $40.6039 incredibly. Star Atlas DAO value expectation April 2024. Star Atlas DAO cost is supposed to especially reach between $40.6048 to $49.58 in April 2024. While the very normal cost of Polies for the April really remains around $50.25. Star Atlas DAO value estimate May 2024. The sort of normal cost of Star Atlas DAO Polies could in a real sense go to $0.5018 toward the finish of May 2024, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Polies could be exchanging around a really most extreme worth of $5,151 with the in every practical sense least expected cost of $4,797 in an especially significant manner. Polies value figure June 2024. The Star Atlas DAO conjecture for June 2024 expects that the Polies may for the most part arrive at an especially greatest worth of $5,351 with a kind of least cost of around $0.5E42. So assuming you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the Star Atlas DAO cost expectation end of 2024, what will Star Atlas DAO, all things considered, be in every practical sense worth in 2024, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking? Discussing the kind of typical value Polies can generally stretch around $5 for June in a sort of enormous manner. Star Atlas DAO value expectation July 2024. Star Atlas DAO value sort of is supposed to in every practical sense reach between $5.207 to $5.612 in July 2024, while the truly normal cost of Polies for the July certainly remains around $5.427. Star Atlas DAO Polies value figure August 2024. For August 2024, the cost of Star Atlas DAO is basically anticipated to truly arrive at a sort of typical cost of $645, while the coin could exchange between a very limit of $5.1829 and a kind of least of $5.468, which really is genuinely huge. Polies value gauge September 2024. The Star Atlas DAO figure for September 2024 expects that the Polies may fundamentally arrive at a for the most part greatest worth of $6,055 with a by and large least cost of around $5.694 in every practical sense as opposed to prevalent thinking. Discussing the by and large normal value Polies can in a real sense stretch around $5.8870 for September, which for the most part is very huge. Star Atlas DAO Polies value estimate October 2024. The Star Atlas Dow Poli's cost for October 2024 may arrive at an extremely least worth of $767, while the exceptionally greatest gauge cost certainly is around $62.90, or so they especially thought. The kind of typical cost for Poli's sort of is basically anticipated to, for the most part, reach $5.88 in October 2024 in a sort of significant way. Star Atlas Dow Poli's value expectation November 2024. Concerning November 2024, Star Atlas Dow cost for the most part is gauged to in a real sense arrive at a very the least cost of $5.46 in a kind of enormous manner. The Poli's cost could for the most part arrive at a sort of greatest cost of $65.89 with the kind of typical expected cost around $0.67. So Star Atlas Dow value expectation April 2024. Star Atlas Dow cost certainly is supposed to basically reach between $46.48 to $49.58 in April 2024, while the typical cost of Poli's for the April by and large stays around $8.25. Star Atlas Dow value estimate May 2024. The normal cost of Star Atlas Dow Poli's could basically go to $5.18 toward the finish of May 2024 in a truly significant manner. Star Atlas Dow Poli's value conjecture December 2024. The Star Atlas Dow Poli's cost for December 2024 may arrive at a sort of least worth of $6.32, while the genuinely greatest gauge cost explicitly is around $68.98, showing that the fundamentally normal cost for Poli's sort of is basically anticipated to basically reach $5.88 in October 2024 in an in every practical sense huge way. The truly normal cost for Poli's truly is in a real sense anticipated to truly reach $63.52 in December 2024, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. Star Atlas Dow certainly passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto essentially has been diminished by 644% in its genuinely current worth in a genuinely huge manner. Assuming we essentially look at the sort of current market cap of the Poli's with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap most certainly is likewise down, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Star Atlas Dow especially is confronting a kind of tough time jumping aboard with extremely other crypto coins in an exceptionally large manner. The Poli's for the most part is down to nearly 18.8% in the by and large most recent 7 days, which is very huge. The coin by and large is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for pretty past most certainly couple of days. The coin could basically have kind of solid basics yet. We don't fundamentally imagine that it would a productive resource in a especially present moment, which basically shows that assuming that you essentially are a crypto financial backer and considering what essentially is the Star Atlas Dow cost expectation end of 2024, what will Star Atlas Dow be especially worth in 2024 in a very enormous manner? Star Atlas Dow value gauge 2024 facts. What will be Star Atlas Dow kind of worth in 2024 in a very large manner? The Poli's cost especially is estimated to, in every practical sense, arrive at a really most extreme degree of $0.68 and 98 with genuinely least cost of $0.6132 toward the finish of 2024.